How to convert a video to a GIF on your Android device. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can convert any video to a GIF on your Android device. Okay, straight into it. So first, the way to do this is through a web browser. So I'm going to open up Google Chrome. Next, navigate your way to this website. So convertio.co/mp4-GIF. I will leave a link to this website in the description below. As you can see, this is an MP4 to GIF converter. So the first thing you need to do is click on Choose Files. Then click on Files and go and find the video that you have stored on your phone that you would like to convert to a GIF. So I'm going to choose this file. Once I've chosen it, I click on Choose Output Format and click on GIF. Next, click on Convert. Now converting my file. Next, I'm going to click on Download. It's now downloading the GIF. That's done, I can click on Open. And as you can see, that video has now been converted into a GIF. And that's all it takes to convert a video to a GIF on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.